Hey everyone, were you hoping to get a in-person view of the 2024 Mustang GT? Well, we're gonna install a track package Autobahn Incognito PPF with a lifetime warranty right after this. We opened the hood and then I already removed this vent. It's got some, I think 4 9mm bolts and some tabs that come off really easy. And you know, we'll let you see in here where we have all this nastiness here inside this crevice, and so that's not going to get in the install. And this sticks up above the hood line, and so you know, this won't interfere with the install at all, so it'll be a much cleaner install with this off. And then after that, after we install the hood, what we're going to be doing is we're going to take off the 5.0 badges from the side here. They're pinned in, but we're going to remove them carefully, and then we're going to have a full clean install of the fender so that there's no outline around the badges. We try to remove badges if at all possible, and then we'll be doing the rocker panels, mirrors, and then a partial surround there in the front bumper to complete the track package. First thing we're gonna be doing is pre-treating all the areas with American Detailer Garage F-Bomb. Client, you know, knew that we were gonna be doing this, so we told him not to even wash the car, don't let the dealer wash the car, so you know, it's a little dirty. Got about 1,200 miles on it, so that's okay, but you know, we do that as part of all of our process. You know, we're gonna prep this car, you know, clean the bugs, all that kind of stuff. Okay, next we're gonna use a pH plus soap called American Detailer Garage Fury. I love this soap. It's great for prepping stuff that's dirty, so we're gonna foam cannon this next, and then we're gonna get to clay barring, detail brush, and you name it.